1 p.m. in the afternoon. We've moved to our second spot. We're a little bit closer to the Twin Cities. We're still hunting public Wisconsin. Spooked a few though on the way in. Decided to set up quickly. And we're gonna wait and see. Hopefully we can see a buck. It's a good sign if you see does. Bucks might not be far behind, so. Oh my god. Nice, dude. I passed 2 8s that were too far from me, and then I heard some crunching leaves. I looked just to my right, and I had him. As you saw, he came right below me. My God, that looked good. It looked a little bit high shoulder, but the arrow's in him. Not a clean pass through, but. Alright, it's been about half an hour. The shot looked, I didn't see a bunch of blood coming out. And he ran pretty well, but he did slow down about 60 yards away. I'm gonna go look. The arrow's in his shoulder, so. But hopefully there's still some blood on the ground. And I'm just gonna approach real nice and slow. Try not to bump him. Alright, let's go check it out. So that hunt did not end as I intended it to. I tracked the buck for about 100 yards and then I bumped him. I decided to just go home. I went home, called my cousin and a buddy of mine, and we decided to go back out around 8 p.m. We actually tracked from the last blood that I saw about 600 yards, and we found tiny bits of blood, bright red blood, and the rest of the time was just single drops. And after 600 yards, I just decided, this guy is probably still alive. I showed the video to my cousins and a few friends of mine when I went back home. The shot was a little bit high, kind of where the shoulder meets the front quarter, his front leg. Not good penetration. I was shooting a 2-inch Rage broadhead, a mechanical broadhead, and I just didn't get that much penetration. So yeah, this hunt ended up in no harvesting of a buck, even though I put in a shot on him. I'm extremely disappointed. I sat on this and thought about him for like 3 days after. Just super bummed that I injured a buck for no reason, because I was not able to get the harvest. And as a second-year hunter, I think I learned a lot in this hunt. Unfortunately, I think this is the way it goes sometimes, but I am not proud of it. And but bummed out, and I guess we go back to the drawing board from here. And that was the hunt, that was the experience. So sorry bug, I'll try my best to be a better hunter next time and actually tag out. So that was all that was.